Snoring is actually very, very common. Yeah, it's estimated about 45% of adults snores regularly. Yeah, and men snores more often than women, and there's also a estimation that 60% of male above 60 snores regularly. But of course, not all the snorers, they have serious consequences. Most of them is just a social nuisance. Yeah, the wife avoid sleeping with them. Some even sleep in separate room. We even seen some cases that the wife would want to divorce the husband because of severe snoring. Yeah, about half the patient who snores regularly have another condition we call obstructive sleep apnea. In short, OSA. Obstructive meaning that there is somewhere blocking in the airway when they sleep. Yeah, obstructive. Sleep apnea. Apnea means not enough oxygen during sleep. So what happened in these cases are the snoring is so bad that the patient actually choke during sleep. How to tell whether patient have this OSA? Because it's very important to differentiate obstructive sleep apnea and just the simple snoring. Because the simple snoring, actually, you may not need any treatment. If you treat, also is for social reason. But for obstructive sleep apnea, there is some medical consequences if left untreated. Yeah. So most of the time, we ask the sleeping partner, the wife, whether patient choke at night. So typically, the wife will say that the patient snores very loud and then just suddenly just stop breathing and then just wake up and take a deep breath. It's actually to the patient wake themselves up to get enough oxygen. Otherwise, the oxygen may go to a very low level that they may even die in their sleep. Yeah. So anything more than 7 episodes of this sleep stop breathing episodes is considered serious OSA. And the most accurate way to document obstructive sleep apnea is, of course, the sleep study, where the patient came to the hospital over about 8 hours sleep, and we monitor the oxygen level and a few other parameters. Yeah. As I mentioned, the obstructed airway. So most patients, the snoring is either obstruction in the nose level or the throat level. These are the two main areas. Okay. So nose level, such as sinusitis, which I will elaborate later. Anything that block the airway, like even deviated nasal septum, nasal polyp. Yeah. Throat level usually is the tonsils, and sometimes to obese patients where there's a lot of fat deposit in the throat, and that can also contribute to snoring.